Welcome to MainStreetEnglish.com. Thank you for joining us today. Work idioms. 11 slang expressions and phrases about work. In this Main Street English video, we'll share with you some of the idiomatic expressions, slang, and phrasal verbs in the English language that is specifically used at work and have a direct connection to work. Work idioms. 11 slang expressions, phrases, and idioms about work in English. Let's get started. Number 1. To axe someone. Don't think that someone is going to kill somebody with an axe. This English idiom means to fire someone. Example sentences. Jane got axed because she was constantly stealing from the shop. Ivan was axed because he was found using social media networks during working hours. Number 2. Back to the drawing board. This idiom means to start over again from the beginning. When your project or proposal is not accepted or your coursework is rejected, and you have to start all over again, then you can confidently use this idiom in speaking about it. Some example sentences are: I've got to go back to the drawing board because my paper was not approved. I worked really hard on this project, but my boss rejected it, so now it's back to the drawing board. A similar idiom to this is, think outside the box, which means to think differently than you normally would. Number 3. Back to the salt mines. This idiom means to go back to work after a break. This idiom also implies that there is hard work to be completed. This is a fairly common idiom in English. This idiom contains an element of humor and lightheartedness about getting the dirty work done. Here is an example of this idiom being used in a sentence. It was nice to see you, but now I've got to get back to the salt mines. The customers won't wait. Number 4. Blue-collar worker. This idiom refers to a working-class employee who does manual labor or works with his hands. In English, there is also the idiom white-collar worker. This is an office worker or someone who is a manager. Example sentence. The construction being completed at the new building downtown has the best blue-collar worker crew in the industry. Number 5. Deadwood. This is a slang word used for a person that has no skills or does nothing to produce income for a business. Example sentence. I believe that Michael is complete deadwood to the company. He should be axed. Number 6. Bustin Buns. This phrase means to work very hard. Example sentence. I have busted my buns for an entire week on this project. Number 7. Bumped up. This slang expression means to get a promotion or a raise in salary. Example sentences are: I got bumped up to the vice president position. I got bumped up in my salary, and now I can afford to buy a nice car for myself. Number 8. Carve out a niche. This expression means to focus on a very narrow segment, area of work, or business that not everyone can do. For example, I have carved out a niche for myself in this project at work based on my skills. Number 9. Desk jockey. This slang expression describes a person who sits at a desk all day at work and isn't very active. Example sentence. I am tired of being a desk jockey. I think I need to find a new job where I am more active. Number 10. Dog-eat-dog world. This English idiom expression refers to a place or situation that is highly competitive. In a dog-eat-dog world, people will do whatever it takes to be successful, even if that means harming others. Here's an example. The music industry is dog-eat-dog. One day you're on top, and the next, everyone forgets you. Number 11. Fly by night. This idiom is used to describe An unreliable and untrustworthy business that conducts dishonest business practices and tries to make money quickly and easily without care for their clients. Sentence example. Jennifer, don't buy any products from that company. It's one of those fly-by-night operations, and you'll lose all your money. Do you have any questions about today's English lesson video? Please leave us a comment, and let's chat. Thank you for watching our English video lessons at mainstreetenglish.com. Please remember to like and subscribe for more free English video lessons from Main Street English.